Welcome to my homestead farm. It's your boy, I.am.Will, and today we're just going to farm and DIY. Guys, come with me, as you can see, yes. So I'm replacing this tiny chicken coop with my cousin. That's my cousin over there. His name is Kay. And we are replacing this tiny chicken coop with a new chicken house. My idea for this chicken house is to give the chicken a sense of freedom whilst they are still in captivity. On there's grandma. So grandma kept popping in and out of the camera all the time, you know, have a 5 minutes of fame, and then she left again. It was important to me that they would have freedom to move about, so this wouldn't be an intensive caging. So I decided to replace this tiny chicken coop with a 10 by 9 feet chicken house. So we are done with the actual structure. So here, I just want to show you something very quick, guys. So I realized quickly that it was difficult to put the middle part of the wood. So I decided to wedge these small pieces of wood right there next to the post, so I can nail the middle post down rather than nailing it through. As you can see here, I'm just covering the part of it. So half of it is going to be covered with mesh because I still want the birds to feel like they're outside, they can see the outside, so it's not going to be a close encapsulation. It's not going to be an entirely closed space, but you know, the mesh around it would give them a sense of being outside whilst they are still in captivity. So here's the mesh going on. We've already done half of the top, and now we are doing the other part, which is the sides of the chicken house with mesh. So this is how it looks like for now. So we're almost done with this particular phase, where the board size where they're going to be sleeping overnight, and this is completely sheltered because we need them to have warmth when it gets cold. And this is the top of the chicken house, so we did it in a way that half of it is going to be covered. Look who just wandered into the house, and now he's trapped. He is the alpha male between all the chicken we have in the house. He's the biggest one. He is loud. So this is the roofing part of it. This is where so we are roofing half of the coop so that they can stay dry when it rains. So that bit is down, and now we are putting the door in position and the house will be complete. Door is in position. I'm quite happy with it. So now we have, so I've just built the structure for the layers. So this is where they're going to lay, and spreading a bit of sawdust around so that, you know, the eggs would rest on something. And spreading a little bit of sawdust around. I don't know, but I think the chicken look a bit shy today. There's mother hen looking a bit uneasy about her chicks. Obviously she thinks I'm coming close. I'm not gonna go there. These are siblings. It's 3 of them. Hey, look, we have our first egg in our new house. And this, it looks like someone was too lazy to climb up there. I found this morning. So if you're wondering why they are here, they all think I'm bringing food. So they're very steady, waiting, watching. And there's mother hen again. So they're waiting, watching to see if I'm going to be spreading some goodies around. I usually come in with a few corns, spread it around, keep them busy, so they're waiting for the treat. And here's the treat. So I usually, if it's fine food, I would put it in this makeshift trough. But if they are corn, which is easy to pick, I tend to spread them around, just give them some exercise, a bit of exercise. I also realized that it was difficult for the chicks to eat with them, so I kind of throw it all over the place, so at least before they get there, the baby chicks would have been able to grab a few corns. Again, this is just treat, so but I'm realizing a few issues with this particular construction, so I may have to come up with a different solution to solve some of the issues. But for now, they look happy, they can bounce around a lot. Oh, girls don't fight, girls don't fight. Boys, play nice. So this one is always nervous, and this one as well. They are not fully grown, so they struggle a lot. Folks, so thank you. This is the end of phase 1. As I said, I've discovered a few issues, and I would have to go back to the drawing board and come back with a solution. So that would be in phase 2. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next project, most likely in phase 2.